If you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, keep watching. Why?
Is it recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh, hey guys, nice to meet you.
Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in. Hey everyone, thank you once again for Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. Hey. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this makeup look. I don't know if it's Pride inspired, it's just I felt like being all bright and colory, so let's call it semi-Pride inspired makeup. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe, so please hit that subscribe button right there. Yeah, right there. And when you're done hitting that subscribe button, hit the bell. There's a little bell on the side of the notification button that will let you know every single time I upload a video. Okay? Without further ado guys, let's get started. Hey guys, so I already applied, I did my brows, I did my foundation, and I already highlighted off camera. I did the highlight below my foundation. Now I'm going to start off by applying my Sacha Buttercup. Now I'm going to prime my lids with Classic Ivory Elegant Pro Concealer. So now I'm going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I am going to use this yellow shade right here. So I'm tapping this in because I wanted to show up. Alright, so now that I have done that, and the reason I tapped it in is because when I drag it, it doesn't show up as much, so that's why I tapped it in. The next shade I'm going in with is this bright green shade right here. Now I'm going back with my Elegant Pro Concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. Thank you Beauty by Jolie for showing me that trick. This peachy shade right here. Now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palettes and I'm going to use Bori. Going back into my Masquerade palettes and I'm going to use Makeda. And I'm just gonna overlap some of Bori onto. Okay, so I'm done doing the next side. I'm going to apply white liner right here. Now I'm not doing this on camera because I take forever to do it. So I'm gonna put white eyeliner here. I'm gonna put a wing black eyeliner here, and I'm gonna do my mascara, and I'll be back. I'm back. So now I'm going to do my under eyes. This green shade from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So with my matte brown eyeshadow from Arista, I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to dust off my Buttercup. Now I'm going in with my Carrie Meyer face powder in the shade Mocha. Now I'm going to put on my blush, and I'm going to be a little crazy and try using Zobo. Now to my Profusion palettes. It sort of broke, so I don't want to raise it too high, but I'm going to use this darker shade right here. So I'm going in with Backstage. Now this is not really the lip color I'm going to be wearing. I'm just applying it and I'm trying something to tone it down. So let go. So I'm going to try using some concealer as lipstick. I don't know how it's gonna work, so let's just see, right? Let me try. This is the same classic ivory that I've been using to prime my lids and everything. Don't be laughing at my lip gestures. I think it looks okay. Alright, so now to finish it off, I'm going to add some lip gloss. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Click that picture of me right there. Trinity Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye.